In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum 5 class. I hope all of you will be fine. Today we discuss about subject English Unit 7. What goes around comes around. Dear students, first of all we discuss about learning outcomes of Unit 7 Part 2. Identify and practice the use of the words starting with consonants and vowel sounds. Demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in a group. Recognize and describe briefly story elements. Use common compound words in their own speech and writing. Dear students, now we discuss oral communication, learning the sounds, vowels and consonants. Read the given sentences and notice the use of words starting with consonant and vowel sounds. स्टूडेंट्स आपने इन तमाम सेंटेंसेस को रीड करना है और इसमें आपने कॉन्सोनेंट एंड वावल साउंड्स को नोटिस करना है. वावल साउंड्स क्या हैं? जैसे ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू. दीज आर द वावल साउंड. एक्सेप्ट ऑफ दीज वावल साउंड्स ऑल द अदर लेटर्स आर कॉन्सोनेंट्स. फॉर एग्जांपल बी, सी, डी, एफ. These are all the consonant sounds except of vowel sounds. The frog splashed around and swam croaking about as if he had done an admirable feat. In this sentence, the word frog are start from F. This is a consonant. Splashed start from S. So this is consonant. And the word around is start from A. So this is vowel sound. स्टूडेंट इसी तरह आपने बाकी सेंटेंसेस में भी वॉवल और कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड्स को नोटिस करना है. एक्ट 2. राइट 5 वर्ड्स स्टार्टिंग विद कॉन्सोनेंट एंड वॉवल साउंड्स ईच इन योर नोटबुक. स्टूडेंट्स, read your page and solve this activity on your notebook. Consonant sound words: flag, drops, gulls, plant, grapes. These are start from the consonant sounds. Vowel sound words: X, elephant, iron, oven, ugly. These are start from the vowel sounds. Act 2. Learning to speak. Read and practice the given dialogue. Students, do you know about what is dialogue? Conversation between two or more than two persons is called dialogue. Hen: hello mouse, how are you? Mouse: I am fine, thank you. How are you? Hen: I am good. You look in a hurry. Where are you going? Mouse: Yes, I am getting late. I am going with the frog to see the underwater world. Crow: hello hen and mouse. What are you both discussing? Mouse: looking happy today. Hen: he is going with the frog to the underwater world. Crow: oh, it seems interesting, but it can be dangerous for you. This frog is naughty, so be aware of him. Mouse: I will take care of myself. You don't need to worry. Thank you for your advice. Crow: okay, bye. Mouse: bye. Hen: goodbye. Student, this discussion is between the hen, mouse and crow, and they are discuss about the underwater world, and crow advised the hen, don't do this. Act 2. Read the given elements of a fable. Dear students, do you know about what is fable? A fable is a short story with animal characters. It has a moral lesson. It is not based on any reality. फैबल ये भी एक स्टोरी होती है जिन पे सिर्फ एनिमल बेस करती है. इसमें जो करेक्टर्स होते हैं वो सिर्फ एनिमल्स होते हैं, उनमें ना ही कोई ह्यूमन नहीं होता. तो सिर्फ एनिमल्स के करेक्टर के ऊपर बेस करती है और इसका कोई ना कोई मोरल लेसन होता है और इसमें कोई भी रियलिटी नहीं होती. जैसे कि थर्स्टी क्रो है, दिस इज़ अ फैबल. हेयर एंड टोटाइज, दिस इज़ अ फैबल स्टोरी. नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ अ फैबल. There are 5 elements of a fable. The first is characters. Characters are the people and animals in a story. But in the fable, the animals character in a story. Setting, it is where and when the action in the story take place. सेटिंग में वो चीज़ें आती है कि कोई भी जो स्टोरी है वो कहाँ पे बेस कर रही है, उसमें क्या एक्शन हो रहा है और किस जगह पर हो रहा है. प्लॉट, इट इज़ द थीम ऑफ द स्टोरी अराउंड विच इवेंट्स आर प्लान्ड. इट इज़ बिगनिंग, मिडल एंड एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी. प्लॉट में किसी भी स्टोरी का बिगनिंग, उसके आगाज़ में क्या हुआ, मिडल उसके दरमियान में क्या आता है और एंड उसकी स्टोरी का एंड क्या है. Conflict, every fable has a problem that makes the characters work and resolve it. किसी भी स्टोरी में कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम को शो किया जाता है, उसकी प्रॉब्लम भी हो सकती है, उसको हम कन्फ्लिक्ट भी कहते हैं. रेजोल्यूशन, इट इज़ द सोल्यूशन टू द कन्फ्लिक्ट. किसी भी जो प्रॉब्लम है या कन्फ्लिक्ट है उसको हम कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं. इट हैज़ अ मॉरल एज वेल, और इसका कोई ना कोई मॉरल भी होता है. विच इज़ योर फेवरेट कैरेक्टर ऑफ द स्टोरी. स्टूडेंट, जैसे कि हम अपने लास्ट वीडियो में हमने स्टोरी पढ़ी थी फ्रॉग एंड माउस की, और इसमें हॉक कैरेक्टर भी आता है. व्हाट इज़ योर फेवरेट कैरेक्टर ऑफ द स्टोरी. आई राइट हॉक. हॉक इज़ माई फेवरेट कैरेक्टर इन द स्टोरी. Read the given story and fill in the blanks with the correct words given below. Student, this is a story and this is a story of hare and tortoise, and this is a fable. Use these words to complete this story. Once there lived a hare and a tortoise in the forest. The dash was very proud of his speed. Hare, he used to take fun of the dash for being too slow. Tortoise, one day the tortoise challenged the hare to a race. The hare accepted the challenge. The race started. The hare ran very fast. The tortoise was left much behind. The hare got tired and stopped to have some rest under a tree. He fell asleep. The tortoise passed by him and reached the winning post. The hare woke up and ran as fast as he could. He saw that the tortoise was already there at the winning post. The tortoise had won the race. Student, you should solve this activity on your book, same as. Dear student, the next activity is read the lesson again and fill in the blanks with the correct options. The frog lived in dash for most of his life. Water. The frog tied the mouse's foot to his own with a piece of dash thread. Student, इसी तरह आपने तो अपनी बुक पर राइट करना है. Question number 2, analytical reading. Read any fable. Write its elements and moral in your notebook. Students, study your page and write a fable using the elements. We already discussed about the elements of a fable. Fable is a story in which the character is only animals. A thirsty crow. This is a fable. The first character of fable is a crow. Setting, the story took place in a garden and it was daytime. Plot, the plot are included beginning, middle and ending of the story. Beginning, once there was a thirsty crow. He flew here and there in search of water, but he could not find anything to drink. Middle, at last he reached in a garden. There he saw a pitcher of water, but the water was low in it, and he hit upon a plan. He threw some pebbles in it. The water rose up. He drank water and flew away. The fourth element of the fable is conflict. The water was low in the pitcher. The last element of the fable is resolution. The crow threw some pebbles into the water and the water rose up. Students, write these elements of fables on your notebook. Dear student, the next act is Act C, language focus. Vocabulary building. Read the given words with their meanings. Croaking, turtle, karna. A sound made by a frog. Intent, irada. The purpose to do something. Drag, घसीटना. to pull somebody, frightened, खौफज़दा, afraid, pounced, झपटना, sprang forward suddenly so as to catch something. Students, now we discuss about compound words. Do you know about what is compound words? The compound words are formed when two words are put together to form a new word with a new meaning. Dear students, जब दो भी मीनिंगफुल वर्ड एक दूसरे के साथ अटैच होते हैं, ज्वाइन करते हैं, उनको टुगेदर करते हैं तो उससे एक नया मीनिंगफुल वर्ड बनता है. दीज आर कॉल्ड कंपाउंड वर्ड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बर्थ is a meaningful word and day is a meaningful word. When we join this word, the word is made by birthday. Backbone, the word is made by backbone. These are the compound words. Make a compound words by combining the words from the word bank. स्टूडेंट, आपके पास ये एक वर्ड बैंक है, इनको यूज़ करते हुए आपने टू वर्ड्स को कंबाइन करना है और उसे एक कंपाउंड वर्ड मेक करना है. जैसे द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज़ टेबल एंड वी कंबाइन द अदर वर्ड इज़ स्पून. टेबल, स्पून. एंड द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज़ बेड एंड वी कंबाइन द अदर वर्ड इज़ रूम. बेड, रूम. द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज़ सन एंड वी कंबाइन द वर्ड इज़ शाइन. The word is made by sunshine. These are all the compound words. Student, you should solve this activity on your book. Dear student, the discussion of Unit 7 Part 2 completed. We discussed the remaining activities in Part 3 of Unit 7. Dear students, learn the all activities and do the written practice of these activities. Take care and Allah Hafiz.